We do not think so, and we don't agree with that idea. As I explained earlier on, when people know that virginity can be restored, the value of looking for bloodshed on the wedding night will gradually disappear, and there will be no value for looking for this, as well as considering that a virgin is pure. So that's a process that will take time. It's not going to happen overnight. How do we promote the propagation of this practice? By carrying out this surgery. That's an absurd statement. No, we don't agree with that either. When a patient, a girl, maybe with the parents, maybe with relatives, come and sit in front of you, we have a duty to listen to the patient and carry out whatever the treatment to the best of our ability to help that person. It's also important to realize that sometimes these girls are quite depressed and suicidal, and sometimes they have been postponing marriages, not consenting to them. Therefore, what we do actually is providing relief for the suffering and the stress, and sometimes we do even save lives, because the suicidality can be avoided, can be prevented.